Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 3. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and enjoying good health in these days. In the previous lecture we have discussed multiplication in groups. In this video we will learn product by carrying forward. Today our topic is product by carrying forward. In the multiplicand we have two-digit number 36. We will write 6 in units column and 3 in tens column. And we will multiply it with 2. 2 is the multiplier. We have to find multiplication or product. For this purpose we use this symbol. We start from units. We will multiply 2 with 6. 2 into 6 we get 12. In 12 there are 2 units and 1 10. We will write 2 in units column and we will carry forward 1 to tens. Now we will multiply 2 with 3. 2 into 3 we get 6. 2 into 3 we get 6. Now we have 6 tens, but we already have 1 10 here. In 6 if we add 1 we get 7. Now we have 7 tens. We will write 7 in tens column. In multiplicand we have three-digit number 126. We will write 6 in units column, 2 in tens and 1 in hundreds column. This is multiplicand and the multiplier is 3. Now we will multiply units column. We have to multiply 3 with 6. 3 into 6 we get 18. 3 into 6 we get 18. As 18 is the two-digit number, there are 8 units and 1 10. In 18 there are 8 units and 1 10. We will write 8 in units column and we will carry forward 1 to the tens. Now we will multiply 3 with 2. 3 into 2 we get 6. 3 into 2 we get 6. Now we have 6 tens. We will add 1 10 in 6 tens. If we add 6 10 and 1 10, we get 7 tens. 7 is written in tens column. Now we will multiply 3 with 1. 3 into 1 we get 3. 3 into 1 we get 3. Now we have 3 hundreds here. 3 is written in hundreds column. Now we will multiply 475 with 2. As multiplicand is 475 and this is three-digit number and the multiplier is 2. And we use this symbol to show multiplication. We start from units. We will multiply 2 with 5. 2 into 5 we get 10. 2 into 5 we get 10. As 10 is the two-digit number, we have 0 units and 1 10 here. In 10 we have 0 unit and 1 10. We will write 0 in units column and we will carry forward 1 to tens. Now we will multiply 2 with 7. 2 into 7 we get 14. We have 14 tens and we have 1 10 more. In 14 tens we will add 1 10. Now we have 15 tens. As 15 is the two-digit number, there are 5 tens and 100 in 15 tens. So we will write 5 in tens column and we will carry forward 1 to hundreds. Now we will multiply 2 with 4. 2 into 4 we get 8. We have 8 hundreds. 2 into 4 we get 8. In 800 we will add 100. Now we have 900. 2 into 4 we get 8, and we have 100 that we carried. So we have 9 hundreds here. We will write 9 in hundreds column. In this video we have discussed how to find out the product by carrying forward. In the next video we will learn division. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.